Hi everyone, let's make a beautiful handbag at home. We all have these type of old cloth at home, so let's reuse them. First we are going to measure both of them together. Now cut a rectangular shape. After this we are going to cut these two shapes from the corner and stitch both of them together like this, and look, it's ready. After stitching we are going to make the handles of the handbag. So we are going to cut two different fabric and stitch both of them together like we are doing here, and look, the handle is ready. Similarly, we're also going to stitch this floral printed fabric and put it inside the denim one like this, and sew both of them together like this, and look, it's ready. After doing this we are going to open it. Look how we are going to do here. We are going to leave a small portion and flip the cloth like this, and look, it's ready. After doing this we're going to stitch all of them together from the outside and inside as well. We're also going to put a string, and look how beautiful this bag is looking. In this video, we're going to make a mini bag using this beautiful printed fabric. So take a lid, we're going to cut circle. So you can measure it like this. We are taking this lid. You can take whatever object you have at your home. Now we are going to cut first two printed circles, then two plain circles here like this, and put two of them together like this. Now we are going to sew this beautiful strip on the outside, and look, you have to do this on both the circles, and look, it's done. After doing this, we are going to paste these two handles on both of them like this. You can sew them together using thread and needle or using a machine as well. After doing this, we are going to put both of them one over another and stitch it like this. Look at the finger, you have to stitch this way. Now open it as well and stitch it like this. You will get this beautiful bag shape. After doing this, we are going to pull it like this from the corner, and look, you have to fold it like this and stitch it like this. You can see a triangular portion at the corner side. Finally, flip it, open it, and look, your beautiful bag is ready. Look at this denim fabric. You can get it from your old jeans or jackets, so let's reuse them. We are going to fold this fabric. Now make a cut like this. Open it, you will get this shape. And look how we are going to fold it from the top portion and cut it like this. And also we are going to cut two squares from the corner. You can mark these lines using chalk. Now we are going to cut similar fabric using this old t-shirt or shirt. Here we are using this light blue color of shirt. So we are going to use this fabric on the inside of the bag. We are making a beautiful bag here. First we are going to cut it like this. After this we are going to sew all of them together. So put it under the sewing machine and start folding the denim one from the corners and from the side as well, and sew all of them together like this. We're also going to stitch the top portion, and look, it's done. After doing this, we are going to put this light blue color of fabric on the top of it like we are doing here, and stitch all of them together. It is for the inner layer for the bag. After doing this, we are going to flip the bag like this and stitch it from the top portion as well, from the handle side, and look, it's done. You can fold it like this, and look, it is looking like a cute portly bag. Let's make a beautiful sling bag. So fold this checkered pattern fabric and put a bowl on the top of it. Cut a circle. Here we are taking this bowl because we need this type of circle. You can increase or decrease the size according to the bag. Now we are also cutting these two rectangular pieces and fold one of them. Cut it into half, and we are going to stitch this zip on the top of it, and look, it's done. After sewing it, we are going to cover the zip from the top and bottom portion. So put this a little fabric on the top of it and sew all of them together like this. After sewing, you will get this large circular zip. So yeah, it's ready. Now we are going to combine all the circles together. So yeah, we're going to stitch all of them and you will get this bag, and it's done. After doing this, we're going to cover these corners using this white color of strip. Similar way, we're also adding these beautiful strips, and look how pretty this sling bag is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.